Welcome to our guide on maximizing your dependent care flexible spending account, also known as a DCFSA. Planning for childcare expenses can be overwhelming, but using a DCFSA can provide significant tax advantages. In this video, we will guide you through understanding these accounts, managing reimbursement requests, and implementing best practices to efficiently maximize your childcare reimbursements. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Understanding DCFSAs, managing reimbursement requests, important considerations for your account, implementing best practices, and finally, a disclaimer about consulting your employer and plan administrator for specific details. Let's start by understanding DCFSAs. A DCFSA allows you to allocate pre-tax money directly from your paycheck to pay for eligible childcare expenses. This not only helps cover childcare costs, but also lowers your taxable income, resulting in direct tax savings. The IRS sets an annual contribution limit, which for 2024 is $5,000. Now let's move on to managing reimbursement requests. Many DCFSA providers allow you to submit a recurring reimbursement request for the full annual contribution limit. The process requires completing a form with your anticipated expenses and often necessitates supporting documentation like receipts or bills. Reimbursements are then processed as funds gradually accumulate in your account through payroll deductions. Several key considerations can affect how you manage your account. Notify your administrator of any changes in eligibility, such as employment status changes or adjustments to dependents. Keep proof of expenses, like receipts. Remember that the timing of reimbursements usually follows a set schedule. And very importantly, unused funds do not typically roll over to the next year. There are best practices that can help you maximize your DCFSA experience. First, estimate your annual childcare expenses as accurately as possible. Secondly, submit your reimbursement requests early in the plan year. Moreover, maintain open communication with your plan administrator if questions arise. Also, keep detailed records for tax purposes. It's quiz time. What is the annual contribution limit for DCFSAs for the year 2024? Is it $2,500, $3,000, $5,000, or $6,500? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is $5,000. The IRS has set this contribution limit for the year 2024. We have a brief disclaimer. It's important to consult with your employer and plan administrator for specifics regarding your DCFSA. Tax laws and guidelines can vary, and this information is intended to provide general guidance. To recap, we've learned about the benefits of DCFSAs, explored how to handle reimbursement requests and timing, discussed key considerations like eligibility changes and proof of expenses, and talked about best practices to ensure you make the most out of your account. Thank you for watching our video on maximizing your dependent care FSA. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this information helpful. Comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have.